All right, today we're going to bring a car stereo. Now, this car stereo has a lot of hidden components. It has CarPlay built in. It could work for your Android or your Apple phone, your iPhone, right? Now, the screen is about 6.9 inches. It's a HD touch screen stereo. It has Bluetooth built in. It has a backup camera too. GPS, USB, Type C charging station. It has AM, FM, and other stuff. Now, on top of this, it's not that difficult to install and remove from a car. You got to remove your old stereo. You got to know some electronics. You need to know some of the actual power management on the system before you install this, or have a professional install this part, right? So overall together, it was simple to put together. I like that it comes with a remote control. You could remote into it, you could touch with it, and so forth. So let's go ahead and install it.
KCRW. Last week, 400 CDC employees got an email from federal health officials saying they're crazy, you know.